Today we're going to take the Delta 3200 out of this box and load it. Today we're going to take Ilford Delta 3200 out of this box, load it in a couple cameras, and I'm going to show you some sample photos taken with it so you know what to expect. But before we do, one thing to note about this is that 3200 is the maximum speed. It's my best successes with this film have come when I've shot it at 1000 to 1250 ISO and then developed it normally. So to open up the box, we're going to open the box on this end and pull the tab off. You pull the tab off so that if you have a camera with a memo holder on it, you can slide the tab into the memo holder and know what kind of film you're using while you take photos. Next, we're going to open the box and take out the plastic tub and remove the film cassette from the tub. Cameras that have an automatic loader in them, all you have to do to open is open the back, drop the film into the cassette chamber, and pull a leader out until the end of the leader lines up with the orange index over here. Make sure that the film rests flat inside of the camera. There we go. Close the back of the camera and it will advance the film as you take photos. Some cameras like this have silver contacts on the side of the camera in here, and those read the DX code right here on the film so that the camera knows what speed film you're shooting. If your camera does not have those DX code readers like this one does not, then be sure to remember to set your film speed manually to the film speed that you're going to use. For cameras that have a manual advance like this one does, we're going to open up the back of the camera, drop the film into the cassette chamber, and push the forks back into place. Pull out a leader, and we're going to feed it into the take-up spool like that, put our finger over this, feed it into the take-up spool like that, put our finger over the sprocket, and advance the film once. Now we can close the back of the camera, advance to your first frame, and remember to set your ASA or ISO dial to the film speed that you're using, and that ASA and ISO are the same thing. And now, some sample photos taken with this film so you know what to expect.